Everyone, to this video today I will show you how to fix sound problem on ODIN Valhala Rising. To fix this, just follow and watch this video till the end. You have to open first the settings of your mobile phone. Click on apps option and search for ODIN and click. Guys, next scroll this list down. Click storage option and click clear cache. After that, back. Click on for stop now and click OK. Move guys to Play Store or App Store and update ODIN. Restart your phone when you are done and that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.